Lowe's reported earlier mixed second quarter results. Melissa Repko spoke with the company's CEO and joins us now. Good morning.
Good morning. Investors are weighing the latest clues from retailers this morning, and they came from Lowe's, which reported earnings and its revenue coming in short of Wall Street's expectations. It warned sales will be weaker than expected in the back half of the year. For the full year, the company said it now expects total sales of between $82.7 billion to $83.2 billion. It expects same-store sales to fall by between 3.5% to 4%. I spoke to CEO Marvin Ellison, who told me that consumers are waiting for the Federal Reserve to make a move. And he added they're under pressure from the economic backdrop. He said inflation remains high and big-ticket purchases are being delayed as customers sit back and wait for interest rates to fall. He said they have not seen a dramatic shift one way or another in overall consumer sentiment, however. About 90% of the company's customers are homeowners, and most have fixed-rate mortgages of less than 4%. So that explains some of the hesitance, he said. His comments echo Home Depot, which also lowered sales expectations for the back half of the year, and they also spoke of a more cautious consumer with deferral mindset. One other factor that Ellison mentioned to me is that consumers seem to be prioritizing services and experiences over DIY projects. Joe and Becky.
Yeah. I would do that over. We talked about that earlier. If they were depending on me for DIY projects, they'd have zero every quarter. What do we do in DIY? We have zero revenue. Services, on the other hand, I feel like I'm making a call almost every day. Good you have access to Marvin, and he's one of the good CEOs. It's tough operating environment. Right
It
now.
is a tough one. What's interesting is there something specific about the home backdrop right now? We've heard this from Home Depot and Lowe's. From Walmart, while it wasn't necessarily a rosy picture, they said they hadn't seen deterioration and maybe some positive signs in discretionary merchandise. So we'll get more data points tomorrow, of course, with both Target and Macy's indicating whether, is discretionary overall still under the same amount of pressure, or is it different to buy an outfit versus tack on a wing to your home? That's really the difference here. And the consumer that Home Depot and Lowe's has, like I mentioned, it's very different. 90% are homeowners, and so it doesn't make sense for them to get a new mortgage when they have such a low rate. Yeah.